Hello and welcome to Zimstech Media. Zimbabwean musician and daughter to Andy Brown, Amara Brown, is reportedly set to be summoned before family elders to account for her public fallout with her sister Chengeto, a dispute that has reportedly tarnished the family's reputation. The revelation comes from Amara's aunt Tatenda Mashiringo, also known as Queen Mashi, a mbira player and former backing vocalist for the late Andy Brown. The rift between the sisters became public knowledge in 2023 when Amara, during an interview on Star FM, admitted to a fractured relationship with Chengeto. My relationship with Chengeto is non-existent, she stated at the time. According to Queen Mashi, Chengeto has attempted to apologize to her sister, but Amara is yet to forgive her. She urged both sisters to reconcile and bring an end to their long-standing dispute. It's unhealthy to see family members fighting, she said. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.